I would say the three things that will help you cultivate a CEO mindset. Let's start with C in CEO. C stands for courageous. You have to have the heart, right? You're carrying the team, you're carrying the company really on your backs, and being able to stand up in the moments where you're being challenged the most. I think oftentimes we only think that the CEO is there for the winning season, but they're the ones that are weathering the storm so the rest of the team, the company, the project does not feel it. I would say the E in CEO is emotional, right? Having a high level of emotional intelligence. You're going to be hit in every instance possible. And not only do you need to be able to weather the storm and be able to rise to the occasion and answer those problems as they come up with the solutions, find the right people to put together in order to make it happen, you also have to be able to communicate that to your team. And so having a high emotional intelligence allows you to problem solve at the highest level, but then to communicate to your team as well. And then O is opportunity. As a CEO, you're always finding the opportunity in order to maximize either the profits, maximize for your shareholders, for your team, for your organization, for community. Whatever it is that you do, it's about finding the right opportunity. And then you get to a point as a CEO as well, where you start to say no more than you are also saying yes.